Hi, we are from Sifastro. My name is Wira.
My name is Gusbram,
In this video, we want to introduce our product,
which is
Sifastro, edible straw from avocado seed starch and Carrageenan of lettuce.
so let's get started.
Plastic product is growing rapidly in Indonesia and penetrate in almost all types of human needs. Plastic products that are no longer used because will be disposed by consumer and become plastic waste. Plastic waste has the potential to pollute the environment because it is difficult to decompose. One of plastic product that often used is plastic straw. In overcoming the problem of plastic waste in Indonesia, especially in Bali, the government has promoted the program entitled is Indonesia Bebas Plastic. To support the government program, the effort that can be done is by edible straw. So, because the problem above, we want to combine the Luttuce Carrageenan and avocado seed Strach in manufacture of edible straw.
Okay, for the method of this research, we make three treatments with two control. The first control is positive control, is plastic straw, and the second control is negative control, made without the active ingredients, which is avocado seed starch and Carrageenan of lettuce. The first treatment is use 3 grams of avocado seed starch plus 2 grams of Carrageenan of lettuce. The second treatment is use 2.5 grams avocado seed starch plus 2.5 grams of Carrageenan. The third treatment is use 2 grams of avocado seed starch plus 3 grams of Carrageenan. And we also add some other ingredients with the same dose for all treatments is glycerin 10 milliliter, CMC 5 grams, and aquades. For avocado and Carrageenan, we use 50 ml of aquades, and for the CMC, we use 150 ml of aquades. And for the examinations for all treatments, we do the first is test organoleptic test, the second is water absorption test, the third is solubility test, and for the last exam is biodegradation test. And you can also see the table in the left side of my bag.
So this is talking about the research step. The first step is the stretch and the Carrageenan wood is according to the composition. So the second step is add 100 milliliters of aquades. So the third step is stir well the head with the temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. The fourth step is filter with the gauze. The fifth step is CMC weight as much as 5 grams. The sixth step is add 150 milliliters of aquades. The seventh step is stir well the head with the temperature is 130 degrees Celsius. The eighth step is about the Carrageenan. Carrageenan weight is as much as 2 grams. The ninth step is add 50 milliliters of aquades. The 10th step is stir well the head with the temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. The 11th step is the stretch and the seagrass solution mixed with the CMC. The 12th step is add 10 milliliters of glycerin and stir until homogeneous. The 13th step is the stretch mixture is measured as much as 80 milliliters. The 14th step is pour in the mold. The 15th step is oven was carried out in 110 degrees Celsius in 70 minutes. 16th step is roll with the stirring roots that has been cut with the margarines. And the last step is remove the edible straw from the stirring wood and edible straw is ready to use.
Okay, for the result examinations, the first exam is organoleptic test with the 30 respondents. For the color was won by positive control, the texture was won by treatment 1, and the aroma was won by treatment 3. For the water absorption test was won by treatment 3 with 20.24%. The solubility water test was won by treatment 3 with 5.4%. And for the last examinations is biodegradation test was won by treatment 2 with 32 days. And the conclusion is won by treatment 3. That's all about our product. Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.